what's up guys, it's Mia and I'm back with another video. The last video I had posted was about the weight loss clinic that I had gone to. I am still on phentermine. I am taking now the whole pill every day and it's working, but you have to understand it's all mental. Like, you can take the pill, right, and you can still like gain weight off of that pill if you're not mentally in it. So please don't rely on a diet pill. Don't rely on a diet itself. Like, you have to understand that you have to change your lifestyle. You have to change what you eat, because you're gonna have to keep eating the same foods, you know, throughout your whole life to be able to sustain your weight loss and to maintain your weight loss. A lot of people are like, oh, you know, I lost all this weight off of this pill, or I lost all this weight on this diet. But as soon as they get off the pill or get off the diet, they gain all that weight back. Now, I'm not trying to have that. I'm not trying to gain all this weight back after I lost it for a second time. So what I'm starting to do now is I'm not depriving myself of foods that I want. I'm not taking out certain foods from my diet that I know I will be a upset bitch, you know, if I didn't have it in my life. So I choose healthy alternatives and portion control. Okay? Portion control. Let me say it again for y'all. Portion control. Okay? That is like number one. You can have ice cream. You can have soda. You can have certain things, you know, it's just moderation. You cannot eat this every single day, you know, but you can still have it in your diet, because of course, you know, if you like sweets or if you like certain things like that, then you want to be happy in life. You don't want to completely take it away. So moderation is key. Please don't go through life never eating ice cream. If you really love ice cream, like, go find you the portion cups that are 70-80 calories, and you can have one of those. You can have one of those every day, as long as you're in a calorie deficit, as long as you're not eating 2 or 3, 4, 5 a day. Okay, this weight loss ish, it is very hard. It is very hard, but it can be done, you guys. It's just mental. Like, I'm here because this channel keeps me accountable. Okay, I saw the last video I had posted and I'm like, damn, it's been a minute, I need to follow up. And then it just gets me thinking back on that mentality where, you know, I want to keep it going. I want to just do my best, you know. I did want to also bring up a show that I've been watching, like binge watching, honestly, is 1,000 Pound Sisters. Let me know if you guys have seen it, if you guys have watched it, if you like that show. But it's definitely an eye-opener when you see someone else going through an addiction with food or binge eating, or when you see them really struggling with weight loss and you see it from an outside perspective. It does make you think, you know, like, it really is mental. Like, I really do need to be all in it 100%, and it will happen for me. I will lose the weight. That's why I wanted to come on here and just let you guys know I'm still on it. I'm still trying to lose the weight. I'm still working out. I'm still eating healthy. I have had a few days where I've slipped up, but I go back on it, you know, and that's all that matters. I will be doing a weigh-in for the next video. That's gonna be a lot of fun. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope you guys are happy, healthy, and remember, it can be done. Did y'all hear that? Some new people are moving in. So that's pretty much all I have for you guys for this video, but I will be uploading a new video next week. I'll bring you guys with me for the weigh-in. I think it's going to be about a month since I started the weight loss journey, so we'll see how much weight I was able to lose. And it's not a sprint, It's a marathon. Remember that, okay? Because I know I slipped up a lot, and a lot of times I felt like giving up. I'm not gonna lie, but I really want this, and I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna keep doing this, and I will get there. So will you. So stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.